Hi, I'm Julia. I'm from Melbourne, Australia. I have come to Neomed with my son Alexander for us to have treatment for Lyme disease. This is my third time here and it's Alexander's second time here. So I first did treatment in September 2018 and I was very sick when I first started. I actually didn't feel very well while I was here either doing the treatments, and I was still sick for a couple of weeks when I got home. However, then every week I started feeling better, and I got so much better over the next few months that I decided to come back again in May 2019. And after that time I just kept feeling better. I wasn't sick that time when I did the treatment, just every day I was feeling better. Unfortunately, when I got home, my son Alexander started showing symptoms for Lyme disease. I did get bitten by a tick before I became pregnant with him, so I knew that it was always a risk that he might become unwell at some stage. When he did start showing symptoms, I had him tested, so I was lucky that I knew what symptoms to look out for. When his test came back as positive, I knew exactly what to do. I literally closed the email with the results and opened a new one to Susanna, asking her how quickly I could get him in for treatment, because I knew that this was the very best place in the world for him. My son Alexander, he absolutely loves it here. He is so excited to see the staff every morning. He talked about them in between visits while we went home. He used to ask to look at the pictures that he took here with the staff. He really did miss them, and before coming back, you know, he would name them all and check if they're still here, because he was really looking forward to seeing them. And that, for me as a parent, that's the most important thing, that he's happy while he's here. So anybody who asks Alex how he's feeling at the moment, he will tell them he is feeling much better since he's been here. I've noticed he definitely has more energy while he's been here, and a lot of his symptoms have reduced while he's been here. He's not in as much pain, he's not having as much headaches, and there's not as much fatigue. So it's always a difficult decision to book to come over for treatment, particularly if you're coming from overseas. I think that's even harder when the treatment isn't for you, it's for your child. So it's even more daunting. You want to make sure that they are okay. I like here that the treatment plans are really individualised. So even though Alexander and I have the same infections, his treatment plan is different to mine, and we're often doing different things and they recommend different therapies. A lot of it is the same and we try and do a lot of it together, but I love that it's all very patient-centred. My favourite therapy here would be the Tempass. I think that has been the most helpful for helping my immune system to get rid of all of the infections that I've had. I've noticed Alexander also feels definitely more energised after he has the Tempass treatment. So there is never actually a way to say thank you to all the staff at Neomed. When you compare what my life was like before I came here to what it's like now, I am a completely different person. I'm able to work, I'm able to go out, I'm a better parent, I'm just more relaxed in general. And there really is no way to say thank you for changing your life like that. I think though the thing I'm most grateful for is just how caring and loving the staff have been with my son. How somebody treats your child and makes them feel comfortable. You can just never be grateful for that enough. I really will be thankful my whole life for everything they've done for him, and to keep him happy and calm, and you know, he loves them all, and I'm really looking forward to how much better he will continue to get.